Good morning, children. Shubha teacher is back to you with the fourth video of chapter Seed. Let us become again scientific by performing some more experiments. In the previous video, we had understood two experiments. Today, we are going to understand experiment number 3, that is to prove that air or oxygen is necessary for germination. Let us first understand the arrangements done to perform this experiment. We have to take two conical flasks, flask A and flask B. First, let me tell you about flask A's arrangement. Flask A is a conical flask with a flat bottom. Inside the flask, some wet cotton is placed at the bottom and some soaked gram seeds are spread over it. Inside it, a test tube filled with pyrogallic acid, which is shown yellow colored liquid here inside the test tube, is inserted and tied with a string. And then the mouth of the flask is closed with a stopper. Now let's look at flask B. Flask B is again a conical flask with wet cotton placed at the bottom and some soaked gram seeds put over it. In place of pyrogallic acid, here normal water is inserted in a test tube, and then again the mouth of the flask is closed with a stopper. This arrangement is kept for a day or two. It is observed that the seeds in flask A does not show any germination or any growth, whereas seeds in flask B started to germinate. Now, to understand the difference in observation in the two flasks, let us first understand what are the conditions available in the two flasks. In flask A, water is available to the seeds because they are placed on wet cotton. Pyrogallic acid here is a chemical which absorbs oxygen. So therefore, all the air which is present inside the flask is becoming deficient of oxygen because all the oxygen has been absorbed by pyrogallic acid. So therefore, oxygen or fresh air is not available for the seeds inside. However, it is kept at normal temperature. So out of the three conditions, two are available. Air or oxygen is not available to the seeds in flask A, whereas in flask B, the seeds are getting moisture also. Air which is inside is having sufficient oxygen and the temperature is also normal. So thus this experiment proves that air or oxygen is necessary for germination. Experiment number 4 is the 3-bean experiment. Here also let's understand the arrangement, how to set up. We take a beaker. Beaker is filled with water, half filled with water, and then we take a scale or any glass plate. On that we tie 3 seeds at some space between them. We tie it with a string. And then we insert the glass plate with the 3 seeds inside the beaker. It is inserted in such a way that the seed A completely goes inside water, seed B remains half inside water and half above, and seed C is completely above water. This arrangement is kept again for a day or two. After 2 days, it is observed that the seeds which are inside water and outside water, completely inside and completely outside water, doesn't show germination, whereas seed which is in middle, seed B, has started showing germination. Right? Now let's understand why such observation is there. Let us see again the 3 conditions which are required for germination. Are they available to the 3 seeds? Seed A is completely immersed in water. it means it is getting moisture completely, but oxygen is not that sufficiently getting available to it. All the three are kept at normal temperature. So temperature is same for all the three seeds. Now let's look at seed B. Seed B is getting water also, as well as it is getting sufficient oxygen from the air outside. Seed C is getting air, fresh air, lot of oxygen for respiration, but moisture is not available, that is water is not available. Thus, we see that all the three conditions when becomes available for the seeds, then only they show proper growth or proper germination. So thus here we complete the 3-bean experiment also. I hope you would have understood all the experiments by now. Now again, you have to become little scientific, become a scientist at home. So you have to perform the 3-bean experiment yourself. What materials are required? You need a beaker. In place of beaker, you can take any glass container also. A scale or any glass plate, 3 soaked seeds and piece of thread to tie the seeds on the scale, and then you need some water. Again I say, read the book, go through the experiment mentioned in the book, listen to the video which I have posted it for you, and then perform the experiment yourself. You will really enjoy it. All the best children. Thank you and take care.